Hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to promote Clickbank products on Pinterest. Clickbank is one of the most popular affiliate marketing platforms, so all you will need to do is create an account on Clickbank, which you can do for completely free. And the reason why I would recommend Pinterest as one of the best platforms to promote your Clickbank offer is, as you can see right here, Pinterest is getting an estimated 1 billion views per month. And you can also scroll down and you can see that majority of their traffic is coming from the United States. And with this platform, you'll be able to get a lot of organic search and you'll be able to get a lot of views on your affiliate offer from Clickbank, and in turn, you'll be able to increase your conversion. So for example, you can go onto Clickbank. Once you're signed up, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Affiliate Marketplace. After selecting Affiliate Marketplace, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you can see the different categories that you have right here. So let's say, for example, we were to select the home and garden category. After selecting home and garden, you can see the different offers right here. Keep in mind that this is the estimated amount of money that we'll be able to make for each sale, as you can see right there. And also the gravity score is basically a score based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales. So the higher the gravity score would typically mean that the more persons that are promoting these products are making a lot of sales, as you can see right here. Normally, what I would recommend when selecting an affiliate product to promote is that you ensure that it is recurring, as this will help you to get consistent income, as by it being recurring you won't get a one-time payment, but you'll be able to get payments consistently, for example every week, every month, or every 3 months. So with each product it tends to vary. So let's say, for example, we will be promoting this product which is about woodwork. All you'll need to do, you could tap on affiliate page right here. After selecting affiliate page, you could scroll down and you can read more about the product, which I would normally recommend that you do. By doing this, you'll be able to get more information about the product, and in turn, you'll see if it is a product that is worthwhile promoting and if it is something trustworthy that you would like to promote. So you can see it right here. You could read more about it, as you can see here. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on Visit Affiliate Center. After selecting Visit Affiliate Center, you'll be redirected to this page. And on this page, you can see information that you'll be able to use, as you can see right here. Now, what I would recommend you do, for example, if we were to go onto Pinterest, all you'll need to do is simply type in, for example, one of the searches that I did was how to build a wooden table, and this was one of the pages or pins that was recommended. And the reason why I recommend that you use Pinterest to promote your offers is Pinterest is a very popular search platform. So persons will go onto Pinterest, tap on the search bar, and from there they'll type in different search queries. And then your pin will be recommended, as you can see right here. So you can see if I were to tap on their website, I would be redirected to this page. And on this page, all they're doing, they'll simply list out different steps that you can use, as you can see right here, to create, for example, on this one, I was searching for how to create a wooden dining table, and that is what this website is basically listing out step by step. So what I would recommend you do is, not only am I going to be showing you how to create pins just like this for completely free, but I will also be showing you a platform that you can use to create your website for completely free. To create a pin like this, all you'll need to do is go onto canva.com, and you can go onto Canva and you can sign up and create an account for completely free. From here, you could tap on the search bar and you could type in Pinterest. So you could do that right here. So we could type in Pinterest real quick. After typing in Pinterest, from there you can select whether you would like to do a video or whether you would like to create a regular Pinterest pin. So we're going to select Pinterest pin right here. After selecting Pinterest pin, all you'll need to do, you could scroll down, and from there you can see different Pinterest pins that you can choose from. Or you could tap on create blank pin right here. After selecting create blank pin, you can see some templates that you can choose from depending on the category that you're in. Or you could tap on the search bar right here, and for example we could type in woodwork, or we could type in wood furniture, and then we can see the different templates example that we could choose from right here. So you could select any one of these templates. So let's say for example I were to type in woodwork real quick. So I would type in woodwork right there, and I don't see any. So all you would need to do, you could open up a new tab, and on this new tab you could do a quick Google search. So let's do that real quick, woodwork. After doing that, you could tap on images right here, and you can see different images that you could use. So for example, we could use this image just for example's sake. After selecting the image, you could simply tap on save image as download. Once the image has been saved, we could go back into Canva. Then from there, we could tap on uploads, then select upload file. And we're going to simply select the image that we had downloaded. So let me find the image real quick. As you can see right here, then tap on upload. Once it has been uploaded, we can drag and add it to our page right here. Then tap on the three dots, then we're going to tap on set image as background. Once the image has been set as background right here, as you can see, what I would recommend you do is create similar pins just like the one that you see right here. So you could tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download, then you're going to tap on download. After you have downloaded your pin, you're going to go back into Pinterest. So let me close the preview right there. We're going to go back into Pinterest, and all you'll need to do, you could tap on your profile in the top right hand corner, and then from there you'll be able to upload your pin. You can customize how your page look. So for example, you can customize the banner image right here. By tapping on the plus, you could add a banner image, and you can do all of this using Canva for free. Now to add your pin, you'll simply tap on the plus right there. Then from there, you could select pin. After selecting pin, you're going to tap on choose a file. Once you have tapped on choose a file, from here, we're going to simply scroll down, and we're going to select the file that we had created earlier. So let me do that real quick. You can see right there, and we're going to simply tap on upload. Then from there, what I want you to do now, you want to ensure that you have typed in a title that is searchable. So for example, let's say how to make wooden chair. How to make wooden chair. After doing that, you could type out a description right there. After typing out the description, you can add a link. And I do not recommend that you link directly to the Clickbank offer. So instead, what I would recommend you do is open a new tab, and you're going to go onto sites.google. So you could type in sites Google right there. After doing that, you're going to simply tap on sites Google right here, sign in, and you're going to be redirected to this page. On this page, you're going to tap on blank site in the top left hand corner. Once you have tapped on blank site, for example, you can type in your title right here. So let's say, for example, we would like to name our page woodwork tips, and you can also enter your site title right here. So we could type in woodwork 101. After doing that, you could change the background image. So you could simply tap on image right there, and you could do that. But for the sake of time, I won't be doing that. After doing that, what I would recommend you do is go over to the right hand menu option, and you're going to tap on text box. After the text box has been added, all you'll need to do now, what I would recommend you do, you can go onto either ChatGPT or you could go onto Gemini. And from there, you could type in a prompt just like this. Write an article listing out the different steps to build a wooden shed as a beginner or build out a wooden table. And we're going to be offering some helpful information to persons. But in that helpful information, we're also going to be adding our affiliate link. So depending on the niche that you have chosen or the product that you have chosen to from Clickbank, you will type in different prompts and you will offer different helpful information. And you could simply tap on copy. After tapping on copy, from here you're going to go back into Google Sites and you could simply paste it right here. So let's say I were to paste it right there and you can see it there. After you have pasted, all I would recommend you do now, in between steps, you could simply tap on return right there. And in between steps, for example's sake, you could type in click here for more help, or you could type in click here for a step-by-step guide. After doing that, all we'll need to do now, you could go back onto Clickbank. Once on this page, all we'll need to do is tap on promote. After you have tapped on promote, you can see right there affiliate nickname and you'll select your nickname. Then after doing that, you can preview the landing page if you want. And you're going to tap on create hop link. They have tapped on create hop link, you'll simply copy the hop link right there. Once you have done that, you're going to go back onto Google Sites. And all you'll need to do now, you could simply highlight the text that you would like to add the link to. So this is our call to action right there. And you're going to tap on insert link. After tapping on insert link, you're going to paste the link right there. So paste our hop link and we'll tap on apply. So once someone goes onto our website and then from there they'll be reading out the information depending on the type of product, and then they'll simply click on this link and they'll be redirected to our offer. So all we are going to do now, so you will simply tap on publish. After you have tapped on publish, for example, I'll call this test woodworking. And once it is available, I'll tap on publish. Then after tapping on publish, as you can see right here, our website is now live. I'll simply copy the link. After I've copied the link, I'm going to go back into Pinterest. So let's do that real quick. And I'm going to paste it right here. So I'll paste the link right there. After you have pasted the link right there, you could also create a board if you want. So I could tap on create board. Then from there, I could call this woodworking tips. Then tap on create. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can also add searchable tags right there. After adding searchable tags, you could tap on more options at the bottom of the page and you can see show similar products. You can select that if you want. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish. Then after tapping on publish, you can see that it has now been published right there. If I were to tap on view, you can see how it looks. So now let me go back real quick. You can see it right there. So if I were to tap on all pins and select this particular one, once someone goes onto the pin, all they'll need to do is tap right here on my link and they'll be redirected to my website. Then from there, if they were to tap on the offer, they would be redirected to the offer right there from Clickbank. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.